No, the screechy noise. No, the screechy one.
What the flumble was that?
Oh, Shishi.
No, do the high-pitched whine.
Hey, do the high-pitched whine, Sadie. Hi, Ross. What's up? My wiener's looking at me.
Oh, watch out, he doesn't spit in your eye.
Ah, my wiener just licked me.
It licked his face.
Ew, you're gonna get herpes now. Or genital warts. Syphilis.
Hi, Joe.
Did you just say yum?